Assalamu alaikum. I'm Syed Munirjaman Mukul, hailing from Khulna, Bangladesh. Currently, I serve as the head teacher of Bir Muktijuddha Gyasuddin Islamic Model School, where I'm dedicated to shaping the future of our next generation through quality education. In addition, I work as a news presenter at Matribhasha Television, honing my communication and presentation skills. Entrepreneurship is a passion of mine, and I run my own library business, nurturing a love for reading within my community. I'm also active in the fashion industry, working as a model of several reputed fashion houses in Bangladesh. Leadership drives me, and I'm actively engaged in leading a project with clear goals to bring about meaningful impact. Charity is an integral part of my life. Along with my friends, I have established a poor fund that supports the needy in our area, ensuring that a portion of my earning goes towards helping others. Traveling inspired me, and I have had the privilege of exploring most districts of Bangladesh, which has enriched my perspective on life. Cricket, my favorite sport, is how I unwind and stay active whenever I have free time. My technical expertise includes graphics design and programming languages such as C, C++, JavaScript, Python, and PHP. I also possess a strong foundation in hardware and software knowledge, future enhancing my versatility. Alhamdulillah, I strive to balance my professional, personal, and philanthropic endeavors while continuously working towards self-improvement and community upliftment. Thank you.
সাজানো এ কাননে জ্ঞান আহরণে সাজানো এ কাননে জ্ঞান আহরণে দোয়া করো কবুল দোয়া করো কবুল দোয়া করো কবুল প্রভু দোয়া করো কবুল গিয়াসুদ্দিন ইসলামিক মডেল স্কুল গিয়াসুদ্দিন ইসলামিক মডেল স্কুল আমাদের শিখাই হোকাল পরকাল আমাদের শিখাই হোকাল পরকাল স্বপ্নীল স্লোগান একটাই বারে বার স্বপ্নীল স্লোগান একটাই বারে বার এটাই আমাদের মূল